Hey guys, in this quick video, I'm going to compare the Spirit E-425 with the Spirit E-435. It really depends like which one you're actually buying, but some pros and cons that you have to be aware of. So first thing first, the price is like, it depends where you buy it. They are both got the same four main burners right here. Then also the BTU is the same, but with the Spirit E-435 you have a side burner. So this is like very important. Now, as you can see right here, I just want to show you, you see right, like side burner provides extra cooking space for sauces, sides, veggies and more. So this is like, if you actually need it, this is very important for you, because with E-425 you don't have the side burner, as you can see. And this is like very important, like one of the most important things, like the differences between those. Also, similar cooking area, warming area, total cooking area. Both got boost burners. Also, same ignition system, same cooking rates. Also, similar side tables, tool hooks, thermometer. Like very similar, like same warranty, and they're like both good products that you can actually like what you can get. But the huge difference is that with the 435 you actually have the side burner there. So that's what I want to share with you. Maybe it's going to be beneficial to you, what you can actually like expect from it. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.